Hi everyone. So here a small information. Uh, when you are using the WhatsApp or Instagram, you are using the emojis. But when you are writing a code and you want to add some emojis there, then how to add them? Don't have the emoji option in the keyboard. So how to get them? So simple statement I am writing: print. Hi, Dheeraj. If I print this, it is coming like this. I want to add emojis. So for that, I will use the shortcut that is Windows plus semicolon. Windows semicolon. Then I am getting this one. So I can use any number of emojis. So I am selecting these three emojis. You can browse any other emojis there. So if I run this, this is my emojis. This is how you can print or use the emojis in coding or in the laptop chats. So shortcut is Windows plus semicolon. Change it to markdown. So this is my shortcut to get emojis. That's it. Thank you.